Hello friends, my name is Azlafa. Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make grilled chicken. For making grilled chicken, we need 8 quarters of leg piece of chicken, half lemon juice, salt 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, tandoori chicken masala 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and we are using in this meat tenderizer 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use this one, this meat tenderizer, and then food coloring, red food coloring, half teaspoon, curd 2 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and now we are going to start making grilled chicken. Making grilled chicken, first we are going to add all our masalas: red chili powder, tandoori chicken masala, garam masala, meat tenderizer, salt and turmeric powder into this. After that we are going to add curd, now we are going to add lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, and red food coloring. And now you have to mix it well. So friends, now we have mixed this chicken nicely. So I forgot to tell you that you have to make the slits between the chicken so that the masala goes inside the chicken and becomes more tasty. And now you have to keep this chicken for marination. You can keep it overnight or 4 to 5 hours. I have kept the chicken for marination for 4 to 5 hours, and now I have separated the chicken pieces. There's another tray in which all the pieces are there. In this tray there are 3 pieces. In all the chicken pieces you have to add butter and oil, and then you have to keep this in the oven on high flame. Preheat the oven and then keep it for grill. So friends, now our chicken is grilled from the one side, and now we have to flip the chicken and keep it at the oven. So friends, grilled chicken is ready. Now it is ready to be served. So please, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.
时针一直倒数的